Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video you will learn on how to use the Quicken Simplify for beginners. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then the next thing that you're going to do is you just have to search for Quicken Simplify. Okay, or you can just simply type out Simplify. Okay, and then you have this first website. So you just have to simply tap on this one. That's right. And then right here, just have to sign in to your Quicken account to access all the Quicken products, including the Simplify. So you just have to tap it right here, Quicken ID, and then if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to simply choose the create account option at the bottom. Okay, and then after that, right here to create a Quicken account to access all the Quicken products, including the Simplify, just have to type out right here the email address that you are going to use, your phone number, your mobile phone, and then your passwords. You just have to create your password. Then after that, you just have to simply tap on the create account option. Okay, and since we cannot really use the tool because the plan is a little bit pricey, still I am going to discuss to you the the things that you have to consider if you are planning to use this tool. Okay, so starting off with the budgeting. So using the Quick and Simplify, you can visualize your income, your bills, subscription, and savings, and always know how much you have available after expenses. So you can treat yourself guilt free, or route it to a rainy day fund, no guesswork required. And yeah, for the projected cash flow, so your very own financial forecast by analyzing your income and spending habits against your bills and expenses. So the Quicken can project future balances, run what if scenarios, and see what your future looks like so you can plan smarter and dream bigger. So now let us see how the budgeting works first. Okay, so as you can see right here, Simplify keeps track of your income, expenses, and your savings goals, and any other spending throughout the month. So in real time, so you always know what you have available. And of course, the Quicken adapts to any system. So zero sum, envelope 50 to 30, 20, anything, or just use what we built in. Either way, you'll always know what's left to spend or save. And yeah, you can include your savings goals and your budget. So when you add your savings goals to your monthly budget, the Quick can help make you make sure that covered automatically, and discover the bills and subscription you don't need. So you can see all of the recurring bills and subscription in one convenient list. And of course, easily identify and flag anything you're not using so you can cancel it and save. Next one is, how does the spending plan work? So you complete your financial world all in one place. So with an unmatched 14,000 financial institutions supported, the Quicken boosts industry-leading connectivity. So manage each of your accounts with up-to-date transaction and balances for each, all automatically and in one place. So you can also get personalized budget automatically, create your own categories, tags, and flags, and roll over your extra spending or savings into next month. Okay, so yeah, you just have to get started right here. Now let's go back and discuss the projected cash flow. Okay, so here you can easily find low points in your upcoming balance. So slow your spending or transfer money from savings to keep from dropping below your comfort zone, and then plan your spending in advance. So what's the best timing for your next big purchase? So with the projected cash flows, you can base the choice on actual data. So you can spend it with confidence, and projected cash flows reveal the best times to save or invest. So you can identify when your balances are high each month, so you know when to make those contributions. Okay, so you can see your cash balance always up to date. So the projected cash flows start with your current balance as you get paychecks. pay bills, or make other purchases, your balance adjusts automatically. And yeah, view the upcoming paychecks and bills at a glance. So the Quick and Simplify knows when your regularly scheduled income and expenses will hit your account. It uses this to project your future account balances and check your balance up to a year in advance. So the Quick and Simplify projected cash flows displays your future balances over any time frame you choose, so you can easily plan for high and low points. Okay, so now let's go back here and proceed to the savings goals. Now, for the savings goals, when you add a new goal, Simplify helps you to set up your target date and the monthly contributions. So, goals can be big or small across any time frame. And yeah, you can build your saving goals into your budget. So, include your savings goals in your monthly spending plan to make sure they're covered, or leave them out and just save what you can when you can. And your savings bars update automatically, so you can see how close you are to each goal, and life happens. So you can borrow from one goal to cover another when priorities shift, then rebalance when you are ready. So, grow your emergency fund. Start with 3 months of expenses. Adjust your target as your income grows. Track every contributions and celebrate each milestone along the way. And save up for a vacation. You know, we all want this one. So your savings goals will keep up with the total amount you've saved, even when you start spending from it for things like bookings or travel early. So, build your down payments. So, for long term savings, do not let the short term needs suck you back. And if you borrow from a savings goal, it still counts toward what you save, so you can pay it back later. And create all the goals you want. So, there's no limit to the savings goals you can create and track. Add as many as you like for as much as you like. So, car innovations, getter. So, save for literally anything. Okay, so yeah, for the last one, you can explore the investments. Okay, so here you can see your true returns for each account of your whole portfolio together with a TWR and IRR, so you can make smart choices about your money and get all the news you need with, curated stories that relate to your holdings. Stay informed, spot opportunities, and act with confidence. And of course, every investment one place. So um, brokerage accounts, link them all with Quicken's industry leading connections, so they're all in one place and all up to date automatically. And see all your retirement savings. So how are your how are you saving for retirement? Right? So see them all together, even across different financial institutions, updated automatically. So if you want more information about this one, and if you are willing to subscribe to a plan, then you just have to visit the Simplify Quicken website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.